Self-esteem is an individual's evolution of themselves as a person. It is defined by a person's thoughts about their abilities and qualities in various areas. It is important to emphasize that self-esteem does not necessarily reflect ability or intelligence, but rather how a person thinks about and view their own qualities. Individuals must have positive thoughts about themselves to help their self-confidence. This can be done by providing aspiration for themselves. Cognitive behavioral therapy, aka CBT, explore the relationship between thoughts, emotion, and behavior. It's a time limit structure approach used to treat a variety of mental health disorder. The goal is to reduce distress by helping clients develop more adaptive cognition and behavior. CBT aims to change how a person thinks and what they do, therefore analyzing both cognitive and behavioral techniques. According to Aaron T. Beck, cognitive behavioral therapy, aka CBT, is a form psychotherapy that focuses on identifying and changing distorted or irrational thoughts patterns that cause negative emotion and dysfunctional behavior by emphasizing the relationship between thoughts, feelings, and action. Fundamental to the cognitive model is the way in which cognition, the way we think about things and the content of these thoughts, is conceptual. Beck outlined 3 levels of cognition. First, core belief. Deep belief about oneself, others, and the world. Core beliefs are generally learned early in life and influenced by childhood experience and are considered absolute. Basically, every individual has different core beliefs based on parenting patterns, environmental influence, and culture. Second, rigid for the living. Their rules be unrealistic and therefore maladaptive. In depression, these thoughts typically center on negative themes, low self-esteem, and feeling of hopeless. For example, when faced with tests, a person might think, I'm going to fail. Their seemingly restrictive rules can influence negative thought patterns, limit an individual's creativity, and more seriously, can even lead to individuals having difficult adapting to new environment. Third, negative automatic thoughts, which often involve overestimating risk and underestimating one's ability to cope. These thoughts can easily affect mood, slow decision making, and make it difficult to adapt to the situation. To avoid these thoughts, you can practice self-awareness, develop a positive mindset, and seek support from others.
The study Hidayati and Nurwiyanti 2021 found that university students wouldn't compare themselves to others often experience lower self-esteem. In this research, the students raised an online cognitive behavioral group therapy intervention. The results showed a significant improvement in their self-esteem after they learned to identify and modify their negative thoughts about themselves. This demonstrates that CBT is effective in helping students develop more realistic thinking patterns and build stronger self-confidence. This finding also aligns with Beck's cognitive model, which explains that when negative thinking is replaced with more rational interpretation, a person's emotion and behavior naturally improve.
For example, in a case study entitled "A Case Study on Improving Self-Esteem Among Adolescents," this case study focused on efforts to improve self-esteem in adolescents through cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT. The main focus of the intervention in cognitive restructuring, which is helping clients change negative and maladaptive thinking patterns into more realistic and adaptive ones. In this study, CBT was applied through several techniques such as Socratic dialogue, stressor coping exertions, self-awareness and judgment, role-play, and self-talk. Through this series of interventions, clients saw positive change, including being able to accept their shortcomings, recognize their strengths, and become calmer in responding to comments from their social environment. The final result of the intervention shows an increase in client self-esteem from the low category to moderate category, indicating that the CBT approach is effective in addressing self-esteem issues in adolescents. Next are the characteristics of the subject and the main problems experienced. The subject in this case study is a 13-year-old female adolescent who experienced the main problems of low self-esteem. The client also experienced social anxiety and difficulty adapting to her new environment. The client is an accomplished student from a rural background but feels burdened by academic demands and often compares herself to friends who come from urban environments. The condition is exacerbated by economic limitation, such as a lack of supporting facilities, which make the client feel inferior. Behaviorally, the manifestations of low self-esteem are evident in the form of a quick and passive attitude in class, lack of confidence, excessive anxiety after exam, sensitivity to other people's comments, difficulty making friends. This problem shows that low self-esteem not only affects the client's emotional escapes, but also their social and academic functioning. Next, this study used a CBT approach that focused on cognitive restructuring, change negative or maladaptive thinking patterns into more realistic and adaptive thinking patterns. CBT intervention was carried out in 9 counseling sessions and 1 follow-up session, which were divided into 4 main phases, namely goal setting, evaluation of maladaptive traits and beliefs, development of more adaptive alternative traits, re-evaluation of self-concept or bottom line during the intervention process. Client learned to recognize negative thought patterns, accept criticism in a healthier way, and realize their potential and strengths, such as intellectual abilities and personal aspiration. The results of the intervention showed significant change, both cognitively, emotionally, and behaviorally, based on the post-test result. The client's self-esteem increased from low to moderate. The client also became calmer, more confident, and able to interact socially in a more adaptive manner. Overall, this case study confirms that cognitive behavioral therapy is effective in increasing self-esteem in adolescents, especially when the intervention considers environmental and social factors that influence the client's psychological development.
Based on the theoretical low self-esteem generally arise from negative thinking patterns and unrealistic core belief about oneself. CBT is considered effective because it helps individuals understand, reevaluate, and restructure these thought patterns. This aligns with the finding of Hidayanti and Nuryanti 2021, who showed that students who tend to compare themselves with other experience improve self-esteem after participating in an online CBT intervention. The case present in this Vianti's study also illustration that when a client begins to shift their perspective and replace negative thoughts with more realistic ones, their confidence gradually increases. Taken together, the theory, research finding, and case example consistently indicate that CBT is a suitable and effective approach for addressing low self-esteem in studies.
Based on the definition, theoretical concept, supporting data, and case example described above, it can be concluded that self-esteem plays an important role in how individuals view themselves, behave, and respond to various social situations. Low self-esteem generally stems from negative beliefs, rigid thinking patterns, and unrealistic automatic thoughts. These three aspects directly influence emotion and behavior, thereby hindering individuals from reaching their full potential. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, has been proven effective in overcoming low self-esteem because it systematically helps individuals recognize maladaptive thinking patterns and replace them with more rational, flexible, and adaptive way of thinking. Finding from Hindayati and Nuryati 2021 and a case study by Disvianti showed that CBT intervention can significantly improve self-esteem in both college students and high school students. These changes are evident in improved ability to manage emotion, respond to criticism, and build more positive social relationships. Thus, theory, research, and case phenomena reinforce that CBT is an appropriate and effective counseling approach to help individuals with low self-esteem, especially in the context of education. This approach not only helps improve thinking patterns, but also opens opportunities for individuals to develop their potential to the fullest and in a healthy manner.